Emil and I decided that on our 7th-year anniversary, we are not going to use the money to go away and celebrate the 7-year anniversary on an island. We decided we're actually going to invest back into our relationship to make sure that we've got multiple years to come that we can go and celebrate that. So we decided to book for an intensive, not because we had specific challenges at that time, just general ones like all relationships do, but because we wanted to deepen and strengthen the tools that we already accumulated and to use them and to invest back into our relationship. So at that time, around our 7th-year anniversary, I was pregnant with my son, our second child. And I remember how we sat there with my belly being so uncomfortable and sitting for hours in a chair and having dialogues back and forth. But looking back, that was one of the biggest deposits we made into our relationship account. And because we did that, that gave us the strength and the certainty that the work does work if you do the work. And that helped us to stay committed to once a week, even though my son was born at that time, to once a week have an appointment, sat down at the same time once a week and have an imago dialogue. And soon after that, with 2 toddlers in the house, life becomes busy and it's difficult to get to your own things. And of course, the tension built up in the house. And at that time is when we really appreciated and realized what investment we actually accumulated for ourselves in our relationship. Because then we could dip into the relationship and use the relationship to get energy from it again. So today, I would love to leave you with the idea of how can you use your relationship as an investment, as something that you treasure, as something that you look after, as something that you spend time and energy on, and that you invest back into it, so that when it's scarce years, when it is difficult years, you know you've got the certainty and the assurance that you can dip into it and use your relationship to get through whatever troubles you or what challenges you at that moment. Yes, so in essence, how can you use your relationship and how can you see your relationship as an investment? Not something that's just lying there, as we know from money as well. Accumulate, or almost like thinking in terms of this as a dam. As water, if it builds up, if you just accumulate and accumulate, it builds up and then it explodes and bursts out. If you accumulate the water and use it sparingly, but still using it and allowing it to flow out, the same with money. If you just accumulate money and you don't use it or you don't have a specific purpose for it, and it just accumulates and you never use it, it also becomes too much energy and built up energy. But if you don't use anything, if you just let it go and allow it to spend it recklessly, then you won't have anything and it also becomes a tension. So having this idea in your mind and thinking in terms of your relationship as an energy, as an intelligent organism with energy in it, how can you invest into it and use it and make sure that there's a constant and a steady flow and a consistent flow of energy in and out of your relationship? What would your life look like then if you saw your relationship as energy, as an investment?